here's an update on the fake door. Here we have the Geaz TS 2000. I was trying to look for the cover, but I can't find it. But yeah, here it is. That popping noise, by the way, is just the top hinge. I think it has quite a nice latching speed, to be honest. This is the latch. It's a really old-fashioned door latch that I got from a garage, and I didn't have a spring in it before, but I put a spring in it. It's like, it's not a stiff spring, it's like quite easy to move, and you know, it does the job really well. If I do it really slowly, works quite well. And the arms are a bit squeaky on this. Well, they can be, but it's quite run out. See if I can get them to squeak. Nah, it's not going to do it, isn't it? But yeah, do 2 more cycles. But yeah, bye everyone.